The Sentinel software installer is a standalone installer that can be started from the installation web page of the Booklet PDF server installation website. This starts up the automatic setup of the Sentinel software. At its start, the setup checks if the Windows system on your PC complies with a certain number of prerequisites. These checks depend on the host system type. The installation is easy and all steps are shown. You just have to follow it. At this stage, the Sentinel installer starts installation tasks through Windows Console, which becomes visible. This may take several minutes depending on your hardware. The Windows Console closes automatically when the installation task is completed.